let's see if they came through and sent me a replacement for a broken pallet. Hi, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev, and probably Callie in a few minutes. This may get to be a very destructive, active video, which she just put me through while I was trying to film my Macy's video. Oh my God, you'll have to watch it. So now I'm going to try to quick sneak in an ice cream video. Where's she at? There are you. I heard you run in. Oh my God, in the last video, she was trying to eat the box, trying to eat the pink tissue paper. She had tissue paper on her lips. She wouldn't let me take it off. Exhausting. I'll be glad when she gets a little older. Okay, if it's shaking right now, it's because, of course, I'm doing laundry on the other side of the wall. Anyway, a couple of months ago, my ice cream, what do you call it? Subscription bag came with a pallet that was totally broken. Gosh, we're talking back early December. It totally smashed and broke. I didn't even take the wrapper off. Well, at that time, I was just getting ready to leave to go to Hawaii for 10 days. So I sent them an email, told them that one was broken. They sent me an email back saying, send a picture. Well, I wasn't home when I got that. So when I got home, I sent them the picture, and they said, we were supposed to do it within 7 days of receiving it. And I said, well, I was gone. What was I supposed to do? And then I didn't hear back. I sent them the picture, but didn't hear back. So I'm wondering, there feels like there might be an extra one in here. So we'll see how good their customer service is. So let's see. Looks like I can maybe zip this open. Ah, that makes it easier. Oh, here comes my plane in for a landing on the other side of the wall. Oh, maybe not, because it's... Good grief. You hear that? Hold on. Okay, calm down a little. Oh, all right, there's only 3 things in here, and there's 3 things on the little ice cream beauty bag for January. So they didn't replace it for me. I'm disappointed. Not good customer service. So let's see what they did send. And of course, most of these things will go to Carla's girls. First off, ooh, these are pretty. Magic Castle water activated duochromes. You see, they're kind of chrome-like. Pretty shades. It says, from Magic Castle Cosmetics. Multi-purpose water activated duochromes, $28. Must add water to work. Well, I'll send this to Carly's girls, see if one of them can figure it out. $28, boy. And I was complaining about how much pallets were the other day in Marshalls and Ross. Okay. Okaland 16 color shadow palette. Sorry about the glare in here. Okay, what's it say about this? 16 color eyeshadow palette, $15. Now I used to get the bigger package of this stuff, but I switched to the cheaper one. And it's well, $12.50, I think. By the time they add the tax and the shipping, it comes about $16. So you figure 3 of these things. This is Beauty Creation Sweet Glow. I better open it though, being they've come broken before. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Drop the scissors. This wouldn't tape them closed like that. Oh, she's back. get it open. I just went to the other side and opened right up. Okay, it's cute. Oh, it's Sunday cotton candy and cupcake. Pretty. And that one, Beauty Creations Sweet Glow Highlighter. Use a brush and light hand for a subtle highlighter color, and this is $12. So let's see, all three of these things will be going in Carly's Girls box. So let's see, what's it add up to? Let's see, 28. 3. Well, yeah, around $50 or so. So, you know, it's a good deal. I'm just disappointed that they didn't make good on that one that came smashed to smithereens. So that will do it for that one. What do you think? I'm going to give it a couple of more months try, and then probably when I've got to leave here to go back up home, I'll cancel it. Here she comes. It sounds like a little herd of cattle down the hallway. Where is she? Where is she? Oh, there she goes. So please comment below, share, like, and subscribe. And I hope you're all having a beautiful week. I love you all. Bye.